Hello, Geminis! From May 16th to 31st, 2025, your ruling planet Mercury keeps you sharp and curious, bringing exciting opportunities your way. Let's dive into what the stars have in store. This period lights up your communication sector. Your words carry power. Whether it's pitching ideas, networking, or resolving conflicts, you'll shine with wit and charm. Around May 18th to 20th, Mercury aligns with Jupiter, amplifying luck and expansion. Expect unexpected connections, learning opportunities, or even a stroke of inspiration that could change your path. Stay open to new perspectives. Mid-month also brings energy to reassess your home and family dynamics. Address any lingering tensions with honesty and diplomacy. It's a great time to strengthen bonds. If single, romance might bloom through lighthearted conversations or shared interests. Couples should focus on keeping things fresh and fun. As May 25th approaches, Mars ignites your ambition. Channel this drive into career goals or passion projects. However, balance is key. Don't overcommit. Take breaks to recharge and reflect. Between May 27th and 31st, Saturn squares Uranus, creating friction between stability and change. Trust your adaptability to navigate challenges. Blend practicality with innovation when making decisions. You've got the smarts to find solutions. Remember, Gemini, your curiosity is your greatest strength. Dive into books, courses, or adventures that spark joy and growth. Stay grounded by prioritizing self-care amidst your busy schedule. The universe encourages exploration and evolution during these 2 weeks. Embrace the journey, trust your instincts, and let your vibrant energy lead the way. You're unstoppable, Gemini.